Principles of Technology, Unit 10, Part 6, Summary.
People are always trying to go higher and faster, but it takes an efficient energy converter to do it right. Throughout this series, we've always talked in terms of 4 energy systems. Energy converters change any of these forms of energy into any of the other forms. So, for example, mechanical energy, like a moving shaft, can be converted into the energy of a moving fluid. See if you can identify these other energy conversions. Since the beginning, we have also mentioned efficiency. In our unit on work, we saw efficiency as comparing the work put into a system and the work out. We also saw it as the power out of a system compared to the power in, and the work on the input side of a force transformer compared to the output work. In every case, we were using different ways to measure efficiency. Now, with energy converters, we have one more. Most devices that move things are energy converters. In other words, they manage energy by changing it from one form to another. But energy transitions are not without a price. There are always losses somewhere, so you get less out of an energy converter than what you put into it. Efficiency is making sure that the losses are as small as possible. Technicians need to identify and measure the type of energy on the input side of a converter and compare it to the energy on the output side. The output energy will be in a different form, but fortunately it's easy to convert units from one energy form to another. We do it with our handy-dandy unit converter. You do it with the conversion tables in your text. Energy will continue to be a valuable commodity, especially in our highly consumer-oriented world. Although the search for more energy from the sun, the earth, the wind, and the atom will continue, the most valuable source of energy and the cheapest to deliver is the energy saved. The only way this hidden resource can be tapped is if every energy converter converts energy as efficiently as possible. Efficiency is one of the main reasons technicians need to know principles of technology. Devices that run inefficiently are wasteful and therefore expensive to operate. Very often, several energy converters are combined in one device. This generator begins with thermal energy from burning the fuel. The engine converts that to mechanical energy. A generator converts the mechanical energy to electrical energy, and that's used for welding. But whatever energy is converted, some of it is always lost. The goal in energy efficiency is to keep those losses to a minimum. We mentioned in our mechanical program how efficiency in design made human-powered flight across the English Channel a reality. The same engineer took the idea one step further and built the Gossamer Penguin. It looks very similar to the Albatross, but instead of converting the mechanical energy provided by human muscles, the Penguin converted the free energy from the sun. The wings were covered with solar cells that were connected to a small electric motor, and that turned the prop. It was the world's first solar-powered aircraft. There is no energy shortage on Earth. We are completely surrounded by vast quantities of sun, wind, water, all provided free. Our challenge is to invent efficient ways of converting these raw forms of energy into something that can be put to useful work. This program was produced under the direction of AIT at the facilities of Telemation Productions and is part of Principles of Technology, developed by the Agency for Instructional Technology in cooperation with the Center for Occupational Research and Development and in association with a consortium of state and provincial vocation education agencies, together serving education.